Introduction to Personal Assistant. Introduction to the module. This module will teach you about the core responsibilities of PAs and secretaries alongside the necessary skills to ensure success within the roles. Topics to be covered in this module are: role and responsibilities of PA or secretary, job functions and required skills, planning work details, difference between secretary and PA, role and responsibilities of PA or secretary. The role of a PA or secretary is to assist the manager with the workload and to act as a buffer between the manager and the rest of his colleagues. As a PA or secretary, you may also be expected to perform tasks outside your day-to-day responsibilities, such as banking, billing, sales, payroll, accounting, advertising, public relations and more. In every task you do for your manager, you should be able to replicate it as close as possible to how they would carry it out. The best PA and manager partnerships work as a team who can trust one another to carry out their responsibilities accordingly. When looking to hire a PA or secretary, employees typically look at the following qualities: punctuality. A PA or secretary who is not punctual will likely cause chaos in a busy office, as deadlines will be missed and meetings delayed. Dependability. A PA or secretary's dependability can often be determined by their disposition, personality, and ability to learn. An employer must be able to rely on their PA or secretary should there be an office crisis. Willingness to follow instructions. A PA or secretary who is willing to follow instructions carefully will be highly valued by their employer. However, a good PA or secretary should also know when to take the initiative. While intelligent input from a PA or secretary is often highly valued, managers typically tend to avoid arguing points they have already decided upon. Loyalty and confidentiality. Loyalty and confidentiality can be difficult to initially determine in a new PA or secretary, but such qualities are often highly valued. Having a PA who constantly spreads rumors and who must be kept away from confidential information will only lead to problems, no matter how good they are at their job. More than just general qualifications. An employer will likely be looking for more than just the above skills. Extra qualities that an employee may look for can include quick-wittedness, flexibility, commitment, ability to hold a conversation, and a strong sense of courtesy. Office PA responsibilities. As a PA, you will often be the first point of contact for individuals both in and outside the company looking to reach your manager. As such, there is often a range of tasks you will be responsible for, including managing office systems, in other words, data management and filing, arranging travel, visas, accommodation, etc., screening calls, inquiries and requests, greeting visitors, making appointments and organizing diaries, managing incoming email and post, and often responding on behalf of your manager, organizing and preparing your manager for meetings, dealing with clients and staff. As a PA, you may also have your own workload. These duties can often be extensive and may include carrying out specific projects and research, taking on the responsibilities of your manager when required, reaching decisions, taking responsibility for accounts and budget, job functions and required skills. As a PA, it is crucial for your tasks to be carried out efficiently, as a typical day often involves an array of duties. Common duties for a PA can include carrying administrative responsibilities, in other words, copying, scanning, and filing. Writing responsibilities, in other words, letters, emails, and other documents. Organizational responsibilities, in other words, booking conference calls, taxis, and accommodation. Taking on the responsibilities of the receptionist when required. Handling finances, in other words, costs, budgets, and invoices. Informing employees of business developments. Ensuring the minutes of meetings are taken correctly. Organizing office procedures. Finding solutions to any administrative issues or questions. Handling sensitive documents. Receiving, sorting, and distributing the office post. Handling office calls. Working with junior staff to ensure they remain organized. Handling and maintaining office records. Managing stationery supplies. A PA should also possess the following skills: familiarity and understanding of administrative policies and procedures, managing different priorities, diary management, strong computer skills including Microsoft Office tools, strong typing and keyboard skills, good level of English, attention to detail. Several personal skills are also required to be successful, including ability to multitask, ability to work as a team, good telephone manner, high level of discretion, a lot of patience, planning work details. As a PA, your day will typically consist of a variety of different duties. Setting out a work plan will help you to keep on top of all your responsibilities, while ensuring you remain productive in your role. A successful work plan should include the following steps. When arriving in the morning, you should air out the rooms and regulate the office temperature, unless this is done by building maintenance. Next, prepare your desk to ensure maximum efficiency by gathering your pen and notebook. Consult your calendar to ensure that you are aware of all of the day's tasks and inform your manager of all relevant appointments and activities. Always try to complete similar errands at the same time. If your day involves any activities such as mailing or shipping, ensure you conduct them with pickup and delivery times in mind. Keep a to-do list on which to update when new activities arise throughout the day, and always try to prioritize whenever possible. Before leaving the office at the end of the day, always ensure that your office space is clean and ready for the next day. Difference between secretary and PA. The roles of secretary and PA both share several similarities. However, there are several differences between the two. A secretary's role is considered more clerical, and as such involves duties including typing up documents, copying, and call handling. A PA's role is typically more involved with decision-making, and often includes working independently and covering secretary responsibilities alongside other projects. A PA's role may also include supervising other members of staff as well as having responsibility for arranging conferences, reviewing reports, and submissions. The roles of secretary and PA have both evolved over time, mainly due to the growth of modern technology replacing the traditional method of paperwork and filing. Today, it is crucial to have knowledge of software such as Microsoft Excel and be able to develop relationships remotely. Summary. The role of a PA or secretary is to assist their manager with the workload and to act as a buffer between employer and employees. PAs are often the first point of contact for individuals both in and outside the company who are looking to reach a manager. A work plan can help a PA to keep on top of their responsibilities while ensuring they remain productive in their role. The roles of secretary and PA both share several similarities, but there are several key differences between the two.